इमं विवस्वते योगं प्रोक्तवान् अहम् अव्ययं विवस्वान् मन्वे मनुरीश्वाब्रवीत् इवां परम्परा प्राप्तम् इमं राजर्षयो विदु सा कालनेया महता योगा नष्टा परन्तप सा एवायं मया तेद्य योगा प्रोक्ता पुरातना भक्तोऽसि मे सखा सेति रहस्यां हे ईतद् उत्तमम्.
Sir, what is the meaning by this shlokas?
Here the Lord informs Arjuna that this system of yoga, the Bhagavad Gita, was first spoken to Sun God, and the Sun God explained it to Manu, and Manu explained it to the Ishwaku. And in that way, by disciplic succession, one speaker after another, this yoga system has been coming down, but in the course of time, it has become lost. Consequently, the Lord has to speak it again. This time to Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, he tells Arjuna that he is relating to supreme secret to him because Arjuna is his devotee and his friend. The support of this is that Bhagavad Gita is the treatise which is especially meant for the devotee of the Lord. There are three classes of transcendentalists, namely the Jnani, the Yogi, and the Bhakta, or the impersonalist, the meditator, and the devotee. Here the Lord clearly tells Arjuna that he is making him the first receiver of a new parampara, disciplic succession, because the old succession was broken. It was the Lord's wish, therefore, to establish another parampara in the same line of the thought that was coming down from the Sun God to others. And it was his wish that his teaching be distributed anew by Arjuna. He wanted Arjuna to become the authority in understanding the Bhagavad Gita. So we see the Bhagavad Gita and instructed this Arjuna, especially because Arjuna was a devotee of Lord, a direct student of Krishna, and his intimate friend. Therefore, Bhagavad Gita is the best understood by the person who has qualities similar to Arjuna. That is to say, he must be a devotee of the Lord. He also had that relationship with the Lord. That is very elaborate subject matter, but briefly it can be stated that a devotee is in a relationship with the Supreme Personality of Godhead in one of the 5 different ways. One may be a devotee in a passive state, one may be devotee in an active state, one may be devotee as a friend, and one may be devotee as a parent, one may be a devotee as a conjugal lover. So the Arjuna was the devotee as a friend.
Please like and subscribe this channel.